Workpeople leaving Fish's Waterfall Mill, Blackburn. Produced and directed in the year 1900 by Sagar Mitchell and James Kenyon. Documentary showing the departure of workers at the Leaving Fish's Waterfall Mill in Blackburn, UK. The only known preserved copy of this film is kept exclusively by the British Film Institute, which shows it freely only in Great Britain through its player. However, free showing for all other countries on Earth and access via VPN are prohibited by the BFI.